Hi, this is Hal again. This is the final part of our 101 free quick SEO tips and tricks to help optimize your website in 2021 and beyond. And guess the topic? Social media SEO. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Tips and tricks to help you integrate SEO into your social media. Maybe you never thought of it, but this is very important. Again, these tips and tricks are provided to you to help you be able to focus your process and zero in on specific areas of your SEO process and website so that you can address some of the issues that you maybe have not yet addressed. I will be publishing a more comprehensive checklist with how-tos and best practices on how to do many of the things in these tips and tricks. Okay, so tip number 1, social media SEO. Go for Twitter cards instead of Twitter URLs. Using Twitter cards will allow you to make your URLs appear more clickable. Okay. Tip number 2, add open graph markup. Using Facebook open graph tags is one of the best ways to optimize your posts on the platform. Tip number 3, ensure your company profile on LinkedIn is complete, 100%. Complete your company profile to get more views. Tip number 4, get active on Instagram. It's high time that e-commerce businesses start taking Instagram seriously, especially now that it will allow you to buy directly from the app. So there is an Instagram store where people can buy directly from the app. So pay attention to it. You will be eliminating several steps from Instagram to the website to this and that. Tip number 5, offer customer service on Facebook. This can prove to be one very powerful tool for your customer support team. Tip number 6, try getting more conversions with LinkedIn ads. Test and experiment to figure out what kind of sponsored content and ads can lead to more conversions on LinkedIn. Tip number 7, try out Facebook playlists. The addition of new features has made using Facebook playlist easier. Tip number 8, shop the look ads can lead to more conversions. Give Pinterest shop the look ads a go-to to convert more mobile searches. Tip number 9, realize the power of Reddit. Take all possible measures to ensure your brand appears on the 7th most visited website in the United States. Tip number 10, geo-target your Facebook Live posts. This will help your local business target customers in specific locations. Tip number 11, never forget to sign a contract with the influencers. It's important to make it clear from the get-go what the business and the influencer will get from each other. Tip number 12, engage on social bookmarking platforms. Just as you engage on social media, engage on these platforms to earn links. Okay? So, what's the final takeaway of all these 100 tips and tricks? it's best to use the above tips and tricks to get your business in a good position before you launch your SEO audit. We provide free SEO audit. So I recommend that before you start implementing these tips and tricks, that you run an SEO audit. It's free anyway. I'm including the link at the bottom of this video. And then after you have completed all this, or after you complete each section, you can run an audit to see the impact of the changes that you have made. All right? And if you have any questions, you need assistance, you need help, please feel free to contact us. We monitor the comment section of our YouTube channel, so feel free to drop a question in the comment section and we will respond to you. I'm also including a link to our website, to the blog post, free, quick 101 SEO tips and tricks to help optimize your website in 2021 and beyond. So you can read the full article. Very soon, I will be publishing another article, a free checklist, providing you with a little bit more detailed how to implement many of these tips and tricks, as well as, best practices for doing so. And I will be publishing new videos on that as well. So what does this mean? Subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you won't miss future activities on this channel. Now, furthermore, I have included a link at the bottom of this video to take you to subscribe to our email list. We are constantly publishing important, very useful content, and so and news and update from the industry. So please subscribe. You will receive a free monthly newsletter that rounds up new updates and new information and new knowledge and new tricks, new tips, and new information that you need to stay up to date with the trends and grow your business. Again, thank you very much, and I will see you next time.